Talk Up Yout, brought to you by National Baking Company in association with TVJ and the Jamaica Observer, a Stanley and Empress production.
I wipe car glass every day I can. My older brother used to do it, so I figure that's what I had to do. See, my mom used to sell at the market, and I have 10 brothers and sisters. And when I'm a father, so I feel like the burden of my whole family rests on my shoulders. As I be a sufferation in the streets, yo, enough time, I'll get beat up for my money. See, I've been arrested when the next street youth was a glass window. But no matter what, stay positive still, you know. Don't say better must come.
Just want to say greetings and bless up to all my youth them on the corner, all my youth them in the street, and you know who you are. I've spent hours reasoning with some of you. Hours, literally hours. I've stopped my car. I've spent 3-4 hours with some of you. Some of you are very friendly and some of you disgustingly rude. But I have formed some interesting relationships, you're laughing, and interesting observations. I have some questions I'm still trying to answer still. 1. Are the many programs out there targeting at-risk youth working? Are the psychological needs of our young people being assessed, truly assessed? Who is really to blame for the young boys on the streets? Their parents? Them? What do we do with these idle young people? And even if we give them a start, do they have the life lessons and the discipline to propel and sustain? What about some of the other young men on the street with you? What kind of youths we're dealing with?
Well, you have some of the youths them good, some of them bad. Especially the one that roll with me. I always push good in them head. No bad things. I always tell them, say, if I'm going to disrespect somebody on the street, they're going to disrespect me, because them people support me, and I'm supposed to disrespect them. You have the other youth them now will make we suffer for them. Yeah, by spitting in people's face and them think they really don't like them thing there.
So you're kind of like a leader. So you say the people them around you, you're the one that kind of tries to encourage them to be decent on the streets. If you're going to do it, be decent about it.
Yes, of course.
Why are so many young people ending up on the streets?
Well,
what's going on in the family?
Yeah, when you see, a lot of the kids who end up on the streets, the abusive family life. That's one of the main things. Another reason, as you said, poverty. They start from early as being part of the breadwinners of the family. They realize that the parents are not able to do enough for them. So they start going out there trying to help parents to earn. And they realize that even with what they're making, it's still not enough. So sometimes it's just best maybe not to go back home, but to live out on the street and to see if I can make things for myself. All right? But that's two of the main reason.
So I wipe car glass. I'll do more time people tell me about my parts. No sun not shine. It always seem overcast. Be a stampede to get to a car fast. Only to hear motorists tell us about. Well, I man in the street hustle. Juggle man not juggle. Stretch my chest up me and nobody. Nah give me nothing.